In this video, we are going to look at how to design a traveling and tour flyer, a trip to Bolga flyer, traveling and tour flyer. Please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to turn on your notification button, place your comment, and I'm going to reply your comment. And this is coming up. So let's get started. This is my Photoshop interface. I'm using A4 size for this particular flyer. I'm using A4 size for this particular flyer. These are my resources. These are the pictures I'm going to use for the design. I'll place a link for you to download the same picture. If you want to use the same pictures, I'll place a link for you to download the same pictures. So let's get started. I will take my rectangle to and draw a rectangle here. I will draw a rectangle here. So after drawing my rectangle, I'll come to FX. I'll go to gradients. I'll choose gradient overlay. As you can see here, this came automatically because I have already set the gradient there. So for you to set the gradient, when you choose gradient and different color appears, like let's say this color appears, there's no need for you to worry about. So as you can see, I have already set my gradient. So you come here, come to this place, come here, color, and this is the color code. You can actually write down the color code and use it if you want to use the same colors. And I'll come here to click on this place, click on the color, and you get this color code too. And after getting your colors, you set it to radial. I just want it to be middle, so you set it to radial. You set it to radial. I think this is okay for me. You set it to radial. So after setting it to radial, after setting your colors to radial, I will come to my resource. I will bring in this cloud. I actually downloaded it on the internet. I will bring in this cloud. After bringing in this cloud, I'll come to my layer panel, right click on it and rasterize layer. I'll rasterize the layer. Okay, after rasterizing the layer, I'll come to this place and choose this one. I'll come to this place and choose this one. I'll choose this one just because I want to blend the edges, because I don't want it to be straight. So I want to blend the edges. So after choosing this one, I'll click on this, choose my eraser tool, make sure the color is set to black. So I'll set my brush size, then start erasing. I think this is okay for me. So I'll come to this place, my normal, and set it to overlay. I don't know how you want it, but for me, I want it hard light. I think hard light is okay for me. I want this hard light, it's okay for me. So I will take my rectangle tool again. I will draw a rectangle here. I will draw a rectangle here. So after drawing a rectangle, I will go to properties. If you don't have the properties here, it's not any problem. You can go to Windows and you choose properties. So I'll go to my property and I will do it this way. I will change the color to white. I think this is okay for me. I think this is okay for me. So I'll come here and bring in the logo, the company logo. This is the company logo, so I'll put in the company logo. I will put in the company logo. So after putting the company logo, I'll go to my resource and bring in this brush stroke. I downloaded it on the internet. I'll bring in this brush stroke, which I actually downloaded on the internet. So after bringing in my brush stroke, the brush stroke came with background, which I actually don't like that background. So I have to take the background off. So I will come to my layer, right click on it and choose rasterize layer. I will rasterize the layer. So after rasterizing the layer, I will come to my tool panel and choose magic eraser tool. I'll set my tolerance. I'll set the tolerance to 50 and click on it, and it will do the magic for me. So after erasing the background, I'll set it big small. After erasing the background, okay. After erasing the background, I'll come to my resource again. After erasing the background, I'll come to my resource and bring in this picture. On top of the layer, on top of that picture I downloaded the brush stroke. Brush stroke rather, brush stroke I downloaded. So on the picture, you right click on the picture again and then rasterize the picture. Right click on it again and clip marks, click a clip marks. Review the size so that it will fit in, it will be inside the layer. So after creating our clipping marks inside, putting the picture inside the brush stroke, I think this is okay for me. So I will go to my resource again. I actually did this one, the plane, the aeroplane, Ghana Airline. I choose this aeroplane. I'll set a link for you to download those images, so don't worry about the images at all. So I'll set this image here. I'll create a new a layer. I'll bring it under the aeroplane, set my color to white, take my eraser tool. I don't like the size of the brush, so I will reduce the size of the brush and click on this one too is too small for me. So I will, okay, this is okay, so I have to resize it. I think I like this one. So I have to bring up my right tab. So the right tab is executive trip to Bolga, the executive trip to Bolga. So I have typed them already. So the executive trip to Bolga. They are actually going to Bolga, yeah. So the right tab is the executive trip to Bolga. Okay, so I will duplicate this one, bring it on top, and type it again there. I actually excluded it there, so I have to retype it. the executive trip to Bolga. So I'll go to my right up again and bring this right up here. A trip for all young entrepreneurs, CEOs, investors, and cooperative heads. So I'll place this one to here. I'll place this one to go to my resource. I actually downloaded this bars. I'll bring this bars to make it small. I'll make it small. Go to my resource again and bring in this traveling bag. So I actually don't like the background too. So I will pick my magic eraser and it will just do the magic for me. Yes. So the tolerance is too much. So let me reduce the tolerance to 30. So it will just do the magic for me. Sorry. It will just do the magic for me. Okay, so after bringing in our traveling bag, I will create a layer. No, I don't want to create a layer. I will come to my tree panel and select ellipse to draw my ellipse. I will make it black. Bring it under the bars. Right click on it. Rasterize the layer. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur. So I will control the blurriness how I want it. I think this is okay for me. So I have to position it. Yes, I like this one. So go to my right type. I actually have my right type here, so I will go to my right type and bring in another right type too. I will come to my layer panel and choose ellipse to hold my shift and draw ellipse here. The reason why I hold shift, I just want to get a straight ellipse, a straight circle. So I want this circle. I'll choose this yellow color. Duplicate, Control J to duplicate. On the top one, I'll press my Alt keyboard. I'll press my Alt keyboard to bring it to reduce the ellipse, the top ellipse. I want to reduce the top ellipse. I think it's okay for me. So my FX stroke, I'll select this color. This is the color code. If you want to use this color, you can actually choose this color code. Okay, and I set the size I want. This I actually don't like the size, it's too much. So this is okay for me. So put my Alt again and position it very well. This is okay for me. So I will go to my right tab and bring in this right tab here. So after bringing in my right tab here, I actually want to enlarge this picture here. Okay. I want this color, so I will go to my rectangle and choose rectangle tool and draw a rectangle here. Draw a rectangle. After drawing my rectangle, I'll choose a rectangle again and draw a rectangle here. I want this rectangle. Change the color to white. So after changing the color to white, on my property panel, I actually told you if you don't have properties, you can go to Windows, Properties, and you'll get it. It's something simple. On my property panel, I'll set my stroke, and the stroke color I'll choose white. Come to my layer panel, fill to 0. I'll put fill to 0 so that I can get the stroke line. Set this one to 8. No, I will click this one. I don't actually want to apply all the edges, so I'll set it to 10 is okay for me, and I'll choose this one, and I'll set the size of my stroke. Okay, I think it's okay for me. Take a rectangle and draw a rectangle on it. Set the color to yellow. I actually just want this color. I will go to my right tab and bring in this package. I will choose this color because I actually want this color. Go to my right tab again and bring in this right tab here. Bring in this right tab here. Yes. And my rectangle to choose ellipse, and I will draw a small ellipse here. Change the color to white. Make it bigger a bit. I will duplicate, bring it down. I'm going to duplicate and bring it down again. Control J. Control J. actually want to position them well. Control J, bring it down here again. Another Control J. Okay, so I'm done with this one. I'll go to my resource again, um, and bring in this one. My rectangle 2 and draw a rectangle here. Choose white color. I will duplicate my rectangle and drag it to the right side. Go to my resource. I will bring in this hotel. Right click on it. Create a clicking mask. Reduce it small. Bring it in the middle of the rectangle. Okay, select this one to go to my resource and bring this picture to here. On top of it, reduce it small. Right click, click marks. Okay, we are done with this one too. I'll come to my resource and bring in this write up, call for reservation. Click my rectangle tool and draw a small rectangle here. I'll choose white color. And I'll bring in the numbers. So after bringing in your numbers, I will position them here. Okay, position my numbers here. I think this is okay for me. Position my numbers here. So I actually came up with this. So this is what I came up with: a travel and tour flyer for a company, Wilcons Property, Wilcons Travel and Tour, Wilcons Travels and Tour. Yeah. So this is what I came up with. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I'll place a link for you to download the resource. If you want a PSD file, so I'll be giving it to you. So if you need a PSD file, just send me a message in the comment section, and I will send you a PDF file. I came up with this for the client, and he was much okay with this, and I've decided to share with you people. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Turn on the notification button for the next video. Thank you, love.